Good morning. Welcome to K-12 Next Generations chip trading lesson. My name is Miss Tracy, and today we're going to do a lesson called What's in a Number? Now, you probably learned how to count to 100 almost before you could walk, but did you ever wonder what you were saying when you were counting those numbers? Or when your parents say the speed limit is 35, exactly what that number means? Well, that's what we're going to look at today, what these numbers really mean. And what you're going to need is the chip trading board that you made at our first lesson. And you're going to need that. And you're going to need some chips. I have yellow chips and blue and red and the green. Okay. Now, you'll notice on the chip trading Glogster that there's a picture of some chips that were done by my African school, and they did it out of bottle tops, and they did a wonderful job. And so be creative. You don't have to go out and buy chips. All you need are about 20 of each color that are sort of flat so they don't go rolling off the table on you. And today we're just going to look at numbers and put them on the board. Now, I'm going to show you a number, and I'm going to put it on the board, and I want you to do it along with me. And then I'm going to show you a second number, and I want you to look at that number and then stop the video, put that number on your board, and start the video back up. And then I'll put it on my board, and we'll see whether we match. So you're going to have to start and stop the video as we work. So here is my chip trading board. Okay, and I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. And we're going to just look at the ones to begin with. And I have the number 4. So I'm going to put 4 ones on the board. And these two mean the same thing, 4 and 4 ones. I tend to put on the board by 2s. It's just easier for me to count out 2, 4. Okay. And your board should look the same as mine now. Okay. Not very difficult. So I'm going to give you a number, and I want you to look at the number, stop the video, put the number on your board, and start the video back up. And the number is 7. Stop the video, put 7 on your board, and come back. Okay, you put the number 7 on your board, and I'm going to put 7 on my board. Let's see if we match. 2, 4, 6, and 7. Do we look the same? Very good. So we know that in the ones column we can have no 1s to 9 ones here. Let's look now at our next number, which is 81. Notice that now we are using our 10s and our ones column. 81. So that means I have in the ones column, I have 1, 1. And in the tens column, I have 8. So I'm going to put in 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. 8 tens and 1, 1 is 81. Okay. Now I'm going to give you another number and ask you to put it on your board. So when you see the number, stop the video, put the number on the board, and then come back and I'll show you my board. The number is 12. 12. Stop the video and put 12 on your board. Okay. So I asked you to put 12 on your board, and we know that we have 2 ones. We're going to put 2 ones here. And we have 110. 110. And that makes the number 12. Okay? 110 plus 2 ones equals 12. Good job. Let's go up one more place value, which means we're going to go into the hundreds. And I actually wrote down a number here that is kind of sneaky. So I'm going to put this number on the board. I won't give you a sneaky one like this yet. But this number is 709. So I have 7 hundreds, 0 tens, and 9 ones. Put that on the board. I'm going to start with my ones. I'm going to put my 9 ones on the board. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. I have no tens. I'm not going to put any chips on that in the blue section. And I have 7 hundreds, so I'm going to take and put 2, 4, 6, and 7 hundreds on the board. And that's what this number looks like. It's 7 hundreds plus no tens plus 9 ones. 709. Okay? It's a little sneaky, but remember, zeros are used as placeholders to let us know that there is nothing in that place. Okay? I'm going to clear this off and give you a number now that I want you to do. And your number is lost. Here it is. 346. 346. That's the number I'd like you to put on your board. And when you finish, turn the video back on and see how I put mine on. Okay. I asked you to put on your board the number 346. 346 means 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 6 ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my 6 ones on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my 6 ones. And then I'm going to put my 4 tens. 2, 3, 4. There are my 4 tens. Okay. And I'm going to put in my 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have 3 hundreds, I have 4 tens, and I have 6 ones. 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 6 ones equals 346. How'd you do? Does your board look like mine? Very good. It's kind of fun. Okay, let's clear the boards. And I'm going to give you one that's not going to use the thousands place as well. Okay. And the number I'm going to give you is 1,961. 1,961. So again, in the ones column, I have 1 chip. In the tens column, I have 6, 2, 4, and 6. In the hundreds column, I have 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And in the thousands column, I have 1. So we have 1,009 hundreds, 6 tens, and 1 1. So 1,000 plus 9 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 1 equals 1,961. Okay? All right, your turn for a big number. Are you ready? I'm going to clear my board off, and I'm going to show you your number, which is 3,496. 3,496. Yeah, 3,496. Okay, I want you to put that number on your board, and then start the video back up, and let's see if I can match you. Okay, your number was 3,496. It was not, it's 3,492. Okay, I don't read upside down so well. Let's put 2 ones on the board, and then we're going to do our tens, and we have 9 of those. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. 9 tens, 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hundreds, and 3 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 3 thousands. So we have 3 in the thousands place, 4 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. So it means we have 3 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. Okay? How did you do? You did well. That's great. Now, what I want you to do for over the next day or so is to have somebody write some numbers, or you write some numbers, and write numbers that have all 4 place values. Mix them up. 1 place value and 2 place values, 3 place values. Okay. Do 5 different numbers. And if you really feel like you want a challenge, try doing a 0 somewhere. See if you can do that. And what I'd like you to do is to take a number, and we'll take the one that I just showed you, and I want you to put it on your board. So we're going to put the 709 back on our board. Okay, here's the 9, here's the 7. Okay. Okay. And then what I want you to do is to take a picture of your board, which you can take with a camera, with a digital camera, or you can take it with your computer. And then you're going to, for those of you who are in K-12, Next Generation, you're going to put those into your math journal. Those that aren't, I would still keep those in a special file on your desk that you can keep for your chip trading lessons that you do. All right? And then we're going to do another lesson that sort of will reverse this process in our next lesson. I look forward to seeing what you come up with your numbers, and next time that we get together, we'll look at taking numbers off the board and writing them in a couple of different ways. Until then, you have a good day, and I look forward to meeting you in our next lesson.